CoinGecko's portfolio tracker is a powerful tool designed to help users track their cryptocurrency investments and manage their portfolios. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to use it. Create or log into your CoinGecko account. First, visit CoinGecko.com. If you already have an account, simply log in. If not, create an account by signing up with your email, username and password. Navigate to Portfolio section. After logging in, go to the top navigation bar and click on Portfolio. This will take you to the Portfolio Tracker dashboard. Add wallets or exchanges. In the Portfolio section, you will see options to add wallets or connect exchanges. You can manually enter wallet balances or connect supported exchanges. Add cryptocurrencies. Use the Add Asset feature to include different cryptocurrencies. Search for a coin or token, input the amount you hold and save it. CoinGecko will automatically calculate the total portfolio value based on real-time prices. Track performance. CoinGecko's portfolio tracker will display an overview of your holdings, market value and percentage gains or losses. You can view historical data and track how your portfolio has grown over time. Monitor prices and adjust. Stay updated with price changes of cryptocurrencies and make adjustments to your portfolio accordingly. CoinGecko will reflect the latest market data, allowing you to make informed decisions. Use alerts and widgets. Enable alerts for price changes, market cap updates, or specific milestones to stay informed. You can also embed widgets onto your website or blog for quick portfolio access.